Welcome students, myself Mehmet Pasha, and today in this session we will continue with the problems of exercise 2.1 of exponent sign powers. Students, now let us solve the problems from third way. Okay, so here what they are given, find the value of. Students, they are given some numericals. Okay, so it is in the form of exponential terms and we need to find the value of these given questions. Okay, so first what they are given, 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power minus 1 bracket into 2 to the power 2. Okay, now write it once again, 3 power 0 plus 4 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power 2. Students, just look at here, 3 power 0 is there. Okay, as I told you, any number if it is having the power as 0, so the always its value is what? Only 1. That is, okay, any number to the power 0 is what? Always 1. So we can write the value of this one as 1. Okay, next plus. Students, here 4 to the power minus 1 is there. Okay, so 4 to the power minus 1 is there. So if we reciprocal that, it will be converted into positive value. Okay, that is 4 to the power 1. 4 to the power 1 is nothing but 4 only, students. Okay, so you can write it or you can erase it into 2 power 2. See here, students, here nothing is there, this 1 will be there. Okay, so now we need to add these two numbers. How to add? We need to find the LCM of 194. LCM of 194 is what? 4 only. Okay, now as LCM is 4, denominator is 1, we need to multiply 4. Okay, as LCM is 4, denominator is 4, we need to multiply only 1. So I am writing here directly. To this we need to multiply 4, that is 4 ones are 4 plus, so here 1 only, into 2 power 2. That is 4 plus 1 is what? 5 divided by 4 into 2 power 2. Okay, as we are solving this using exponents, so we need to convert this 4 in exponent form. Okay, just look at here. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. That is 4 equals to 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 can be written as 2 to the power 2. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? We can write 4 as 2 power 2. Why? Because 2 into 2 is there. So here write in place of 4 2 power 2 and this is 2 power 2. Okay, students, this 5 by 2 power 2 can be written as 5 into 1 to the power 1 by 2 to the power 2. Okay, 5 by 2 power 2 is nothing but 5 into 1 by 2 to the power 2. So here 2 to the power 2 is there. Now look at here, students. So when we reciprocal this, okay, so we will be getting 2 power minus 2 divided by 1. You can write it as it is or you can erase. Why? Because nothing is there, always 1 will be there. So into 2 power 2. Now just look at here, students. Bases are same, in between a multiplication sign is there. Okay, so this can be solved using the formula a power m into a power n equals to a power m plus n. Okay, so here m is minus 2 and n is 2. Now 5 into a to the power m plus n. M is minus 2 plus n is 2. Okay, so 5 into, students, 2 to the power, look at here, minus 2 plus 2 will be what? 0. Okay, plus 2 minus 2 is what? 0. Next, so we are getting 5 into 2 power 0. Any number to the power 0 is what? 1 only. Okay, so we can write here, it will become 5 into 1. Okay, why? Because any number divided by any number to the power 0 is what? 1. 5 into 1 is what? 5. Okay, so this is a solution for the first problem. Students, now let us solve the second question. Okay, so here what I given, 2 to the power minus 1 into 4 to the power minus 1 bracket divided by 2 to the power minus 2. Okay, so write it once again, 2 power minus 1 into 4 to the power minus 1 divided by 2 power minus 2. Here 2 power minus 1 is there. Okay. So if we reciprocal this, we will be getting 2 power 1 by 2 to the power 1. Okay. Into, so 1 by 4 to the power 1. Okay. So if we reciprocal the base, the negative exponents will turn into positive. So now divided by 2 power minus 2. Okay, students. So here 2 power 1. Okay. So you can write it or you can erase it. So let it be. So this one 1 by, as we have seen in the previous case. Okay. So 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2. Okay. So I have written 4 as 2 to the power 2. So here 4 to the power 1 is there. Okay. So 4 is what? 2 to the power 2. So here 1 is as it is. So now divided by 2 to the power minus 2. Okay. Next 1 by 2 to the power 1 into 1 by 2 ones are 2 students. Okay. So 2 ones are 2 divided by 2 to the power minus 2. Students, just look at here. So here 1 by 2 to the power 1 is there into 1 by 2 to the power 2 is there. So here 1 into 1 is what? 1 only. Now, so here, so look at here, just don't confuse. So 1 by 2 to the power 1 into 1 by 2 to the power 2 is nothing but what? So this can be applicable for both. Okay, so 1 into 1. Okay, next into, so 2 to the power 2. Okay, it is like this, students, just don't confuse. So we can multiply now. 1 into 1 is what? 1. Okay, now just look at here, students. So it is of the form a to the power m into a to the power n. A to the power m into a to the power n. So we can write it as a to the power m plus n, that is 2 by 1 plus 2. Okay, so 2 by 1 plus 2. So here I will write it directly. So we can write it as 2 to the power 1 plus 2 divided by 2 to the power minus 2. Okay, now 1 by 2 to the power 1 plus 2 is what? 3. Okay, so here we are getting 2 to the power 1 by 2 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power minus 2. Now when we reciprocal the base, okay, so this is what? So when we reciprocal it, so what we are getting? We are getting the negative exponential value. Okay, that is 2 to the power minus 3. Okay, by 1. Now divided by 2 to the power minus 2. So you can write this one as it is or you can erase it. Okay. Then students, just look at here. It is of the form a to the power m divided by a to the power n. Okay. So here it is of the form a by a to the power m divided by a to the power n equals to a to the power m minus n. Okay. See, it is of this form. So here a means 2, m means minus 3, n means minus 2. Okay, don't confuse. A means 2, m means minus 3, and n means minus 2. Okay, so what we can write, students? Just look at here. A divided by a to the power m divided by a to the power n equals to a to the power m minus n, that is 2 to the power minus 3 minus bracket minus 2. Now students, as we have got this one, so we can write 2 to the power minus 3 minus into minus plus 2. Okay, then 2 to the power minus 3 plus 2 is what? Minus 1. As we have got 2 power minus 1, so when we reciprocal it, so we are getting 2 to the power 1, which is nothing but 1 by 2. Okay, so this is what? This is the solution of the second problem. Students, now to solve the third question. So here what they given? 1 by 2 to the power minus 2. Okay, it is 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 2, 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 2, 1 by 4 whole to the power minus 2. Okay, so then write it as it is, that is 1 by 2 to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 whole to the power minus 2. Okay, students, just look at here. So here in each and every case, negative exponential powers is there. Okay, so here in each and every case, negative exponential power is there. So when we reciprocal the base, that is this one. Okay, so these are the base. Then the negative exponential power will convert it into positive. Okay, so it is nothing but 2 by 1 to the power 2 plus 3 by 1 to the power 2 plus 4 by 1 to the power 2. See this, here nothing is always, 1 will be there. So here nothing is always, 1 will be there. So here nothing is always, 1 will be there. Okay. 2 to the power 1 2s are 2. So you can write divided by 1, or else you can leave this, plus 3 to the power 1 into 2 plus 4 1 2s are 2. Okay. Then 2 2s are 4 plus 3 3s are 9. 3 square into 3 3s are 4 4s are 16. Okay. Then when we add all these things, that is 4 plus 9 13, 13 plus 16, it will be 29. Okay, so this is the solution for the third problem. Students, now let's solve the fourth question. So what they have given, 3 to the power minus 1 plus 4 to the power minus 1 plus 5 to the power minus 1 whole to the power 0. Okay, so write it as it is first. So 3 to the power minus 1 plus 4 to the power minus 1 plus 5 to the power minus 1 whole to the power 0. Next, see here power minus 1 is there, no? So in each and every case, so when we reciprocal it, the negative power will be converted to positive. Okay. So here my plus 1 will be there. 3 to the power plus 3 to the power 1 means 3 only. Okay, so 4 to the power 1 means 4 only. 5 to the power 1 means 5 only. Okay, that is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 whole to the power 0. Now you have to find the LCM of 3, 4, 5. Okay, then we will find here, students, that is 3, 4, 5. So 2, 3 as it is, 2 2s are 4, 5 as it is. So 2, 3 as it is, 2 1s are 2, 5 as it is. So 3 1s are 3, 1 as it is, 5 as it is. Next, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 5 ones are 5. Then the LCM is what? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay, so 12 5s are 60. So LCM is what? 60. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. As LCM is 60 here, okay, and denominator is here 3. What you have to multiply to this number so that you can make LCM, so that you can make 60? 20, no? So 20. Okay, so here also you have to multiply 20. Now, as LCM is 60, okay, so here denominator is 4. What you need to multiply to 4 to make 60? 15, no? So multiply 15 here and here. As LCM is 60, denominator is 5. So what you have to multiply to 5 to make it 60? 12, no? So multiply 12. Okay, so we are here. So 120s are 20 plus 1 into 15, 15 plus 112s are 12. Okay, students, just look at here. 20 plus 15 plus 12 will be what? 47 divided by 60 whole to the power 0 is there. Okay, so we know that any number to the power 0 is what? Always 1. That is 8 to the power 0 is what? Always 1. So as the exponential power is 0, so the value of this is what? 1. Okay, so this is a solution for the fourth problem. Students, now let's solve the fifth question. Okay, so here what they have given? 3 minus 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 2 whole to the power 2. Okay, so write it as it is. Now, just look at it, students. So, first multiply this one. Okay, so it is of the form a power m into n equals to a power mn. Okay, so minus 2 into 2 will be what? That is minus 2 by 3 whole to the power, minus into plus is minus, 2 2s are 4. Okay, so here as we are having negative exponential value. Okay, so when we reciprocal the base, we are getting the positive value, that is 3 by minus 2 whole to the power 4. Okay, when we reciprocal the base, we are getting the positive exponential value. Friends, we have got 3 by minus 2 whole to the power 4 now. So this can be written like this, that is 3 power 4. Okay, so as here minus, so put bracket and write 4. So we know that 3 power 4 means, okay, so we know that 3 power 4 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27, 27 3 is a 81. Okay, divided by, so minus 2 to the power 4 is it. Okay, minus 2 to the power 4 is nothing but minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Okay, so minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Okay, then we are getting here 80. Okay, so this is the solution for the fifth problem. Students, now let us solve the problems from fourth main. Okay, so here what they given, evaluate 8 to the power minus 4 into 5 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power minus 4. Okay, so write it once again. 5 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power minus 4. Students, just look at here. This 8 now, 8 can be written as 2 power 3. Okay, so see here. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. 8 is nothing but what? 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 times. Okay, so 8 can be written as 2 power 3. Okay, so here power minus 1 is 0, so write it as it is into 5 by 5 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power minus 4. Okay, now students, it is of the form a power m into n equals to a power m into n. Okay, that is 2 to the power plus into minus is minus, 3 ones are 3 into 5 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power minus 4. Students, we have got 2 power minus 3 into 5 power 3 divided by 2 power minus 4 now. Just look at here, this can be written like this. 2 power minus 4 into 5 power 3. Okay, so it can be written like this. 2 to the power minus 3 divided by 2 to the power minus 4 into 5 to the power 3. Same. Okay, so this can be rewritten like this. Now, just look at here, it is of the form 8 to the power m divided by 8 to the power n. Okay, that is 8 to the power n divided by 8 to the power n equals to 8 to the power m minus n. Okay, that is 2 to the power minus 3. Next, so here a is what? 2, m is minus 3, and n is what? Minus 4. Okay, so it is nothing but a to the power m minus n, that is 2 to the power m minus n. N is what? Minus 4 into 5 to the power 3. Okay, now 2 to the power minus 3. Now plus 3, minus into minus will be plus 4. Okay, next 5 to the power 3. Now students, 2 to the power minus 3 plus 4 is what? 2 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 3. Okay, then 2 to the power 1 is nothing but what? 2 only. And 5 to the power 3 is what, students? Just look at here. 5 to the power 3 means 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. Okay, now 125 into 5, sorry, 125 into 2, that is to 50. Okay, so this is not the solution for the first problem. Let's start us on the second question. Okay, so here what I given 5 power minus 1 into 2 power minus 1. Okay, so bracket into 6 to the power minus 1. Okay, so write it once again. 5 power minus 1 into 2 power minus 1 into 6 to the power minus 1. Okay, now just look at your students, negative exponential power is there, no? So if you want, we can convert them into positive power. Why? Because reciprocal, that is 1 by 5 into 1 by 2 to 1 by 6. Okay, so 1 into 1 into 1 is what? 1 only. 5 into 2 into 6. That is 5 2s are 10, 10 6 are 60. Okay, so 1 by 60 is the solution for this problem.